And this is the window that we'll be cleaning. The insides of the window have been cleaned already, and the stuff you can see now is accumulated rubbish from the last 2 months, and we're about half a kilometre from the ocean. Okay, here's the OSMO. It's got 2 pads. They both suck onto the window. They take turns. While one's attached to the window, the other one rotates and spins. So if we push the on-off button on the side, hold it down, starts up. Attach it to the window at the top. Push go, and it's in business. So essentially, all it's doing is this, which is easier with a cloth. The advantage of this, though, is when it gets onto an upper story window. It's beeping, it's finished. Take it off and turn it off. The quality of this, very smudgy. However, the first go was just to get the surface stuff off. Now we'll activate the water and see if it cleans or we get mud. There's an automatic water dispenser. Push that. Of course, what I should have done is to change the pads over, put some clean ones on. Like I said, to be fair, I should have put clean pads on. Pads don't look too bad. Window, like I say, smudgy. If you live in a high-rise building, then this robot is great. I suggest you save yourself $250 and clean your windows with spray, a wet cloth and a squeegee. That's a pretty good job.